5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, garbage. We're kind of outnumbered over here.
Really got me that.
We got lots of them shooting at us.
God, I missed you too. Ah, I hate this game. Crap! Nick's right in the corner. Careful.
Where is he? Why can't I hit him?
Mike's in the back now. Nick's
Oh, Nick is right there.
Sorry, that was me, Jordan. I mean, Trevor.
Where are they all? Can't do anything in here. They've got it locked in.
Get in the vehicle.
Ow! Wow, we're getting murdered.
You guys would be better if I wasn't playing today. Gotcha, Mike.
Josh is sitting around on the other side of that.
Sorry, I didn't see you run that way.
Who hit me first? I think Kyle did. Kyle's the last one! Kyle's the last one! Kyle's the last one over in the hall!
No, it's just.
Gotcha, Jordan! Gotcha, Nick! Hey, way to come back, green team!
Kyle and I were betrayed.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Jordan to the back.
Gotcha, Jordan. No one's in the alcove. Nick moved in.
Oh, finger shot.
Sucker! Okay, you guys hold it down. You guys hold it down. All right, get in there, Tony. Who's over here?
Yeah, Tony, or we got Kyle and Chocolate. Chocolate right, I don't like.
We are, whoops, not winning yet. Good job, Rick. Look out, look out, look out. Moved into the alcove. Nick's reloading, but Jordan's out the door.
Yeah.
Good job, Rick. Good job.
Jordan?
No, he's out the door still.
Ooh, almost. Ooh, almost again. Ooh,
Did you hit my leg?
I think that's mine.
Is Tony over there? Jordan's in the back, Craig. So is Nick. Ah, fetch.
We gotta go.
Gotcha, Jordan. Gotcha, Nick.
Turn around.
Nice job, Rick.
We only got Nerf like twice that whole game. That's all I did.
That was a great game. We did not get 2 pins, though. That got messed up. I think
claim more
two-
pins now.
Want to know what
2 of us added them at the same time.
Did Nick rack up the kill count for them?
You guys got way more kills, though.
Nice.
What in the heck? Is somebody logging their kills backwards?
That's an island.
I went in the hallway.
See that shot hit the ground?
Yeah. It hit your gun right there on the tip.